Guten Tag, Kinder. Wie geht's? Hoffentlich gut. Wir machen heute mit dem Arbeitsbuch weiter. Übungen 1 bis 6 sind schon fertig. Jetzt machen wir Übung 7. Ergänze habe, hast, hat und haben. This is actually a very simple question because we have already learned the conjugation of haben. If the personal pronoun is ich, it is habe. Du hast. Sie es hat. Wir haben. Ihr habt. Sie haben. Correct? So now let us apply that over here. Ich habe einen Hund. Und du? Hast du Tiere? Klar, zu Hause haben wir viele Tiere. Und Monika? Hat sie Haustiere? Nein, sie hat keine Haustiere. Or Tiere. Okay? Übung 8. Wie heißt der Plural? So the plural forms are already given in our textbook. We have to just learn them. For each noun, it is not a same ending. We have to learn which noun takes which ending to form a plural. Correct? For example, for hund, if we add an e, it becomes plural, hunde. But not necessary we have to add e everywhere. For example, Katze. For that we have to add an n over there. For Kaninchen we don't have to add anything. For Canarian Vogel we have to just add an umlaut on o. Correct? So now let us check the answers of this exercise. Ein Hund, zwei Hunde. E at the end. Ein Goldfisch, zwei Goldfische. E at the end. Eine Katze, zwei Katzen. N. Ein Pferd, zwei Pferde. I. Ein Kaninchen, zwei Kaninchen, nothing, no change. Ein Kanarienvogel, zwei Kanarienvögel, umlaut on O. Eine Kuh, zwei Kühe. Not only do we add an umlaut on O, we also add an E at the end. Ein Hamster, zwei Hamster, no change. Okay, so please learn their plural forms of all these. For all the plural nouns, article is always the. We know this. Jetzt Übung 9. Welche Tiere magst du? Schreib ganze Sätze wie im Beispiel. We have to form sentences over here looking at the pictures given. And we have to only use the plural forms, not the singular forms. They have given one example. Hund is there and there is a cross on it. That means we have to negate hund. And we have to say or we have to assert Katze, but in plural forms. So how they have done? Ich mag keine Hunde, aber ich mag Katzen. Correct? So, second one. Ich mag keine Goldfische, aber ich mag Hamster. Here, there is no confusion whether it is keine or what. It is keine only because all the nouns are plural. For plural, it is keine. Third one. Ich mag keine Papageien, aber ich mag Kanarienvögel. Fourth one. Ich mag keine Kühe, aber ich mag Pferde. And last one. Ich mag keine Mäuse, aber ich mag Kaninchen. Mäuse, what is the plural? We add an umlaut on A and we add an E at the end. Mäuse. Okay? Good. Übung 10. Mag oder magst. Mag is a different verb. Its conjugation is a little bit different. We have to learn it. What is its conjugation? Ich mag, du magst, sie mag. So for ich and sie, it is mag. And then for wir, ihr, sie, it is different. Wir mögen, ihr mögt, ZZ Myogen. We have seen this, right? So here they are given only two options. Mag. Now mag, this form can be used for ish also and for RSG also. And the next form magst can be used only for do. Okay, so how will it be? Magst du tiere. Ya ish mag tiere sehe. Peter is a third person, so mag. Peter mag keine Kaninchen. Mein Hund Hasso mag keine Katzen. Mein Hund Hasso is also a third person. Was mag dein Kaninchen? Dein Kaninchen is again a third person. I am speaking, so I am first person. You are listening, so you are second person. But the dog, the Kaninchen, is a third person. So was mag dein Kaninchen? Es mag Karotten und Salat. Ich mag Kanarienvögel, aber ich mag keine Papageien. Both places it is ish only, so we have to say mag. Okay? Okay, great. So, we will move ahead. Übung 11. Was mögen die Tiere? Again, we have to use here plural forms only, but we have to form sentences with it telling the likes of these animals. What do these animals like? For that, you have to first match the animal to the correct food item. For example, they have matched goldfish to Würmer. So here, since the subject everywhere is plural, Goldfische, Pferde, Papageien, Hunde, Katzen, everywhere it is plural. So the verb conjugation will also be mögen. Mögen is for third person plural. Mögen. So Goldfische mögen Würmer. Correct? Simple. Now you can match the other animals, form sentences, and then we can discuss. So, let us discuss now. Pferde mögen Gras. Papageien mögen Bananen. Hunde mögen Würste. Katzen mögen Milch. Kanarienvögel mögen Äpfel. Hamster mögen Salat. Kaninchen mögen Karotten. Und Mäuse mögen Käse. I hope the meanings of all these food items is clear. I will repeat them once again. Bananen is bananas. Würste are sausages or hot dogs. Äpfel means apples. Karotten is carrots. Gras is grass. Würmer is worms. Salat is the cauliflower. Käse is cheese and Milch is milk. Okay? Good. Now we will discuss the further exercises later in the next video. Okay? Bis dann. Auf Wiedersehen.